Hello friends, welcome back to another session of Core Java tutorials. In continuation with the string methods from the last video, in today's class I'm going to discuss about searching the strings using the methods indexOf and lastIndexOf. So the first one is indexOf will take the character, so it returns the index within this string of the first occurrence of the specified character. And the second method is indexOf, wherein I'll be giving the character, and then from where I want to search this character in the string. And the third one is indexOf and the string. Okay, so I want to search this string, the first occurrence of the specified substring I just want to search. And then last overloaded indexOf method is taking the string, the substring, and then from which index you want to search it. Okay, so these are the four overloaded methods of indexOf. Take a observation of the indexOf and then the caret method. So indexOf is the opposite of the caret method. So the caret method will take the position. Okay, so say for example, I want to find out the character that is at a particular position in the given string. So I'll be using the caret method. So caret will return the character. But you can see the return type of indexOf here. So the indexOf will be returning the integer. So I'll be giving the character, and this will give the first occurrence of this particular character in the given string. So it will return the position for us. Okay, so these two are the opposite methods in string class. Okay, so let us see indexOf in action now. So let me take a string s1 is equal to, okay, Betty bought a bit of butter. Okay, so I'm just taking the tongue twister over here. Okay, so Betty bought a bit of butter. So this is my string. Now we'll try to apply the indexOf over here. So I want so many B's over here so that like I can tell you like what is the first occurrence and all that using the indexOf. Okay, fine. So now I'll be checking these methods. So system.out.println. So first is s1 dot indexOf, and then I'll be giving the character. Okay, so then I'll be giving the character. So what is the character? So I'll give E over here. So I want to know the position of E. Okay, so this indexOf will return the position of E, and it will give the first occurrence of E. So the first occurrence of E is 0, 1. So it will be returning 1 for me as the output. You can see that the output is 1. Okay, so B is at position 1. So say for example, you want to find out the position of E from a particular position. So you can also give the fromIndex. Say for example, I want to find it out after 10 positions. Okay, fromIndex. I want to search E from the 10th position. Okay, so 10th position is this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so from 10, I want to find out E. Okay. So now let us check where it will be finding E. So you can see that it has found E at the 10th position. So this 10 that I'm talking about is inclusive in the search. So it will check from position 10. Okay, right. And as soon as it started the search, it found it at 10th position itself. So it gave the position to be 10. Okay, so these are the first two indexOf methods. Now we'll try to check a particular substring. Okay, so whether it is there or not. So I want to check whether TER is there. So this is the substring. I want to check whether TER is there. So I have TER over here, and also I have one more TER at the end of the string in butter. Okay, fine. So let us see like which position it will give you. It will always give you the first occurrence of it. So you can see like TER substring is there in S1 and it is there at position 9. So you can see that this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so from 9th position, it found this particular substring. Okay, right. And if you want to find it out from a particular position, okay, so if you want to find it out from a particular position, so then say for example, I'm giving 15, there should be a comma here, okay, fine. So it is telling that PER is there in the list and it is there at position 32. Okay. So this TER is there at the position 32. Okay. Fine. So to know like whether it has given the correct string or not, we can find the length of the string. Okay. So s1 dot length. Okay. So which will return the number of characters of s1 string. So S1 string is 35 characters and these are the last three characters. So they have started at 32. Okay, so I got the answer. So say for example, I am trying to search for a substring which is not there in this particular string. Then we'll see what will be the output of it. So I want to search for 10 PEN. Okay, so PEN is not there in this particular list. Okay, and I'm asking you to search from a particular position. Okay, we'll give that attribute, but TEN is not there in the list. So you can see that if a particular substring is not found in the list, it will return a -1. So I'll be getting a negative value because there won't be negative positions in the string. So all the characters will be from in positive positions only, starting from 0. So -1 means that the particular substring is not found in the string. The next string method, which is used for searching the strings, is the lastIndexOf. So you can see there are 4 overloaded lastIndexOf methods. The first one will take the character and returns the index within this string of the last occurrence of the specified character. So it will be giving the last occurrence of it, wherein indexOf will be giving the first occurrence. Then the same methods which we have seen for indexOf, all the same 4 methods are counter for finding out the last occurrence of a character, last occurrence of a substring, and so on. Let us see all these 4 lastIndexOf methods in action. So coming back over here, so let me actually apply lastIndexOf. So I'll show you the first method. So the first method is lastIndexOf, and wherein we have to give the character. Okay, so I want to give the character A. So you can see A is here. Okay, so let us see what it will return. So you can see that it is giving the occurrence of A, but there is only one A in this particular string. So I'll give another character which is T. Okay, so I want to, because there are so many T's over here, let us check for T and you'll understand what does it mean by last occurrence. Okay, so it has given the last occurrence as 32. Okay, so there are so many T's from the beginning of the string to the end, but it will be looking after this particular character which has occurred last in the string. Okay, so this is the position where T has occurred last, and the position of this is 32. Okay, you can also search it from a particular index. So say for example, I want to search for um, O. Okay, so I want to search for O. So if I simply give O, let us see what will be the answer, because the last occurrence of O is in front of this F, right? Okay, so this is the last occurrence. So 26, I got this as 26. So say now I want to search the last occurrence of this from an index position. So I'm giving the index position to be 10 and we'll try to see what will be the output. Okay. See, now I got the last occurrence of O is 7. Okay. So let me actually show you the 7th position. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is 7, right? what exactly it will do is, what is the meaning of this particular 10 is, so it will take 10 positions. So the 10 positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So it will take the characters from this first B to E. All these are the 10 characters, and it will start searching for O from the reverse. Okay. So from the reverse, because that is what it needs to find out. It needs to find out the last occurrence of it, right? So that's the meaning of this particular parameter over here. 10 means that. So let us see for the string. The same thing applies for the string as well. So I want to find out whether, okay, so whether IT is there. Okay, whether IT is there, and I'm giving it as 10. So whether the IT is not there, so this substring is not there in the first 10 positions. So it is giving -1. Okay, and say for example, I want to find out TT, whether TT is there in the first 10 positions. TT has occurred 2 times in the first 10 positions. So this is the first occurrence. Okay, in Betty, TT is the first occurrence. And in water, this TT is the second occurrence. And this is the last occurrence in the first 10 characters. Okay, so I'll be getting 8 because this T has got, she is there from 8th position. Okay, so the last occurrence of TT. And so without this particular 10, okay, I want to find out the last occurrence of TT in the entire string. Okay, so then the last occurrence is over here. Okay, so it will give me the position of this particular TT in the entire string. Okay, last occurrence of TT in the entire string. And the last occurrence of TT in the entire string is 13. Okay, because it is here. Okay, so these are the 4 overloaded methods of last index of. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much.